In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Gemini AI for photo editing help. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and go to gemini.google.com right over here. Once you've done that, click on the plus icon and click on upload file. This is exactly where you want to simply go ahead and upload the photo that you want to. Now, all we need to do is simply go ahead and tell it all the edits that you want to go ahead and make. So for example, remove all text and just write the main heading. And if I go ahead and send it to it, as you can see, this is the original image with a lot of different text. This is going to be the original heading right over here. So let's see what it does. And that is about it. When it simply goes ahead and creates the image, it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.